Welcome back. That's Lina Girl. Davey D in the place to be. It's time for the people, places, and or things that we are obsessed and or impressed with. Sis, I gotta tell you, I'm obsessed with fresh veggies.
Oh, I know a couple of great vendors at the Windward Mall. The farmers market down over there. They have vegetables from their family farms. And you know you're getting the fresh, locally grown stuff.
You know, I went there yesterday, sis, and it was packed. I mean, people stand in line for the veggies, but sis, because you're Lina Girl, you get your veggies delivered straight to your house because you're on VIP.
You don't either, brother, okay? It comes from your daughter and her equal Jarrod, that's why.
Yeah, you know, Jarrod has a farm in Wamanalo. He's actually part of the Go Farm cohort, and we've been loving the different types of veggies, yes, sis?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Well, he's making me work because I'm getting vegetables like, I don't know what is a tomatillo?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was just like, is that a green tomato? I mean, but it's just the food it tastes so flavorful.
Yeah.
You know, I love the spring mix that he has. You know, the salad mixes and
so good.
So no.
But these are some of the vegetables that we get delivered to our house, and a tomatillo.
Tomatillo, is that what it is?
I think it's because it's double L.
Oh, okay.
But it's like I thought it was a tomato.
Right.
One outer covering, and then you open them up. But it's actually more like a citrus fruit, and then when you cut into them, it looks like a guava. So my daughter, it's like the platypus of the vegetable world. You know what I mean?
It's like all these different, let's just make this kind. Okay, there you go, fruit.
Yeah, Daisy took it and she cut it all up and she pickled it. And then we tried it last night. Oh my gosh.
The radish, the Easter egg radishes. Oh man, pickling that, delicious. I love it.
Fresh veggies.
It's just changing my whole mind. And YouTube is not my best friend because I have to go figure out, okay, what Swiss chard? What I can make with Swiss chard? Swiss chard.
We know Swiss cheese. We grew up with that, but not Swiss chard. So
yeah, I love it. I love it.
What are you obsessed and are impressed with?
Well, since I'm on YouTube, I've been searching out all these cool things, and when you're looking for vegetable recipes, you tend to not look for recipes that have sugar. I've just started trying to cut out sugar and the processed foods from my meals. So I've been searching for these recipes, and I got caught up on this one site called Nom Nom Paleo.
Ooh.
Her name is Michelle Tam, the woman behind the website, and she makes this amazing Matcha Mug Cake. The ingredients are really clean, and it takes only 2 minutes in a microwave to make. Then you let it cool, and then you top it with whipped coconut cream, and ta-da! You get dessert.
Wow.
It's almond flour, there's matcha. You can do the ceremonial grade if you want that really bright green color. Then just a little bit of baking soda, kosher salt. If you want the sweet, you can do maple syrup and honey inside there. Avocado oil, a little bit of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Whip that whole baby up, boom, cake.
Well, you put it in a cup?
You put it in a mug and then you pop it in the microwave oven. And you can change the flavors. You can make chocolate cake, vanilla, pumpkin. It's just, the recipes are delicious. And she's a 3-time New York Times bestseller. This Asian wahine that lives in the Bay Area.
Oh my gosh, and you know us guys, well, me personally, I love matcha, and then that coconut cream. Ooh, that looks. So it's like not like a dairy whipped cream. It's the coconut.
It's the coconut
cream.
Coconut, and it's been whipped. But look at that! It's just so beautiful and oh gosh, it's delicious.
I haven't tried it.
You gotta try.
I will try it.
Yeah, totally obsessed.
And our friend Dr. Jody.
Well, see, that's the amazing thing is that Michelle Tam is actually she has a doctorate in clinical pharmacy, which I believe is the same doctorate that our Dr. Jody has.
Yeah.
And she's keto prescription. So these people are working in the pharmacy industry and then finding out, you know what, these processed foods and these sugars is no good for us.
Yeah.
So they follow these paleo and keto diets, and it's delicious.
I like that
it.
because the pharmaceutical and kind of like the food manufacturing companies almost work in tandem. The ultra processed foods bust you up, and then the pharmaceutical companies give you medication to supposedly make you better, but it's not always the case.
Yeah, it's just this terrible, this endless cycle of sickness, right?
And you know what? I'm gonna be honest. That matcha cake looks really good and super simple.
I'm gonna try them.
I mean, if you can, not all of us are talented at cooking and stuff like that. I'm not looking at you, Lina Girl.
Yes, you are.
but microwave, boom.
2 minutes, microwave. I have a whole cake. Thank you.
All right. Speaking of cake, we got birthday cakes coming up, right?
Let's do it.
That's coming up after the break.
And here's another thing we're obsessed with: your birthday.
Yes.
We celebrate.